Hey, welcome to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today we're making a prime rib French dip. Let's go. So we're going to be using the 2-zone cooking method. We're going to put the charcoal on this side. We're going to light one end of it and let it burn through. And we're going to put the prime rib on this side, which is the cooler side. We're going to be using the Good Charcoal Company's 100% chemical-free lump charcoal. I use cotton balls and isopropyl alcohol. That's what I use to light all my fires. So I got a prime rib here. Just a choice grade. I got it from Walmart, to be honest with you. I salted it, put it in the fridge for a couple hours. This is a big cut of meat. It can take pretty much anything you put at it for seasoning. I'm going to hit the outside with some cooking spray. Make sure it's all over everything, all sides. We're going to be using the Killer Hogs Steak Rub, just all sides. Like I said, this is a big cut of meat, and it can take a lot of seasoning. Plus, too, we're going to be slicing this so thin that you're just going to be getting a little bit of the seasoning per slice. Don't be shy. We got the charcoal lit on this side. It's going to work its way through as we're cooking. I'm going to place the thicker side towards the charcoal, right about here. Got the bottom vent wide open, and the top vent's going to be wide open. I'm going to place it right over the top of the meat. Let this go for 45 minutes, and we'll come out and check on it. So it's been almost 2 hours. I did rotate this every about 30-40 minutes. Just spun it around just so it kind of cooks evenly. So take a temperature. It looks good. About 123 degrees. We're going to pull this off. I'm going to place it. I'm going to wrap it up in foil tightly. So now I'm going to place this in the refrigerator, let it cool down while we make our au jus sauce. I took a head of garlic, added olive oil and TX brisket rub to it, wrapped it in foil, and put that on there too for about an hour. And we'll put that in our aioli. All right, we got our grill still going. I'm going to put our Dutch oven in here. 2 tablespoons of butter. Now that our butter is mostly melted, we'll put in 1 large chopped onion. Let that stir that and let that go for a couple minutes. Once we got some good color on them, but they're not burning, we're going to add some mushrooms. I microwave these for 5 minutes ahead of time. Let them sit in a strainer while they're microwaving, and look at all that juice that you get out. That's a lot of liquid. The residual liquid that's in the mushrooms is going to break up the fond on the bottom of the pan. Let that go for a minute. All right, after a minute, we're going to dump in a tablespoon of flour. We're going to let the flour cook out. That'll help darken our au jus. Now we're going to dump in 3 cups of water. Break up the fond on the bottom of the pan. So while this starts to simmer, we're going to take a pack of mushroom gravy, a pack of au jus gravy, and a pack of the beefy French onion mix, 3 cups of warm water, and then onion soup mix. And give that a mix, or a shake, I guess you would say. Move that back over the heat, get that simmering again. Once this is simmering, we're going to pour this in, and then we'll let it go for probably at least 20 minutes. And let it reduce down by half. 6 cups sounds like a lot of water, but when you're reducing it down by half, it's only 3 cups. I guess that's how mouth works. All right, we'll check on this in 20 minutes. That reduced by half. It's been on there for 30 minutes. And now it's just on a slow simmer. We're gonna slice this up. After an hour in the fridge, it was still 120 degrees internal. So that's why I put it in the fridge so it stops cooking completely, so we can slice this up and then make our sandwiches. All right, so just thin slices. Just nice and rare. Let's go get our bread and make our sandwiches. So I'm using ciabatta rolls. You really want something that's hearty, that can handle moisture. I toasted them off. The bottom, we're gonna put a little bit of a garlic aioli that we made. Take a slice of our prime rib roast beef. Dunk that in there. This is plenty hot enough. You don't have to worry about it cooling down at all. It's plenty hot. Put some mushrooms and onions on there. Just like that. Slice of Swiss. Then we'll throw it on the grill and let the cheese melt. After 2 minutes in the grill, the cheese was all nice and melted. I mean, this is beautiful. Look at this thing. Look at that. Reserve some of our dip. One thing left to do. Let's take a bite. My word. Wow. I need a napkin. This is so good. So much better than what you can get at a restaurant. Make it at home. You can use a different cut of meat if you want. I prefer it with a prime rib. These damn flies. Like I said, I'll have a link in the description for the How to Barbecue Right products, the Good Charcoal Company, 100% chemical-free lump charcoal, and I'll have this whole recipe down in the description. Hit that like and subscribe. Comment on what you think. All right, see ya. It's dinner time.